Hi everyone, my name is Sahid. Today I am going to tell about 4 basic tips which help you to become fluent or confident English speaker. Let's begin from first basic tip. And the first basic tip is that reading. If you wanna to become fluent in English, if you wanna to become confident in English, you should develop daily habit. You should develop reading habit in your daily routine. If you will read book every day, if you will read newspaper every day, if you will read a story book every day, then you will automatically able to grab more vocabulary. You know viewers, why beginners English speaker is unable to convey his thoughts properly? Because lack of word power, because lack of vocabulary. If you wanna to improve your vocabulary, please read at least 30 minutes every day. And while reading, when you will see new word, try to note down that word in your notebook and search the meaning of that word over Google. And please try to memorize that word in your mind. Viewers, also try to use that word in your daily life. So please, I am requesting from every viewers, please at least learn 5 words every day. Now I will talk about second basic tips, and the second basic tips is listening. If you want to become flourish in English, so you should listen at least 30 minute English video. Because if you want to become a good English speaker, you should be a good listener first. If you are not good listener, we can't become a good speaker. When you will listen video from core of your heart, then you will automatically able to pronounce exact pronunciation. So if you wanna to improve your pronunciation, so please listen video every day from core of your heart. Try to listen audiobook, many audiobook available on Play Store, many audiobook available on Google. Go and try to listen. If you are desperate for learn English, then I think definitely you will listen word. And third basic tip is speaking. If you wanna to become confident English speaker, you should be a good English speaker. Because what you are thinking, you should deliver your thought in appropriate manner in front of your friend. Then definitely friend will able to understand what you wanted to tell. So how we can develop a speaking skill? So you should listen more and more. When you will listen more and more, then automatically word will come out from your mind, come out from your mouth. What is the major problem for Indian students? Indian students are good in writing, good in reading, good in listening, but very less a student is good in speaking. A student is scared to do mistake. A student is thinking more before speak English. You should not need to think more. If you are beginner, so just go and speak whatever you want to speak. Definitely you will learn from your mistake. Viewer, if you have not environment of English, so please comment me in comment box. I will definitely tell about WhatsApp group or Telegram group where bodies are really desperate or enthusiasm for a speak English over call. And last basic tip is change your daily routine, change your daily habit. If you wanna to become fluent or confident English speaker, you should change your daily routine, because routine or punctuality is really necessary for do anything. If you wanna to become succeed in your life, you should make routine for learn English every day. You should watch YouTube video, you should read book, you should read newspaper, you should try to speak with your friends, because practice make man perfect, and the practice is the only way for improve your